music box.
Music box もあります。
You can play it. You can tap the bell.
ベルを鳴らすこともできますよ。
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Shit. Okay, that's a good one. It said yes. Oh, it said no. It said no again. Are there multiple spirits here in this hospital?
この病院にはたくさんの幽霊がいらっしゃいますか？
Yes. It said yes. Did something bad happen to you here?
ここで悪い問題が起きて、起きましたか？
I think he loves the bell.
Yeah.
I think he loves the bell. Oh, it said yes. It said yes. So, nung tinanong ko na, sabi ko, I think he loved the bell. Nag-answer siya dito ng yes. 2 yeses. Alright, since you love the bell. Okay. Yep. Let's play a game.
ゲームをしましょう。
One ring for yes. Okay, let's play a game, and he said yes. 1 ring for yes, and 2 rings for no. Can you ring the bell again if you're here?
1回押したら yes、2回押したら no です。
Nag-ring yung bell. Ibig sabihin, nandito siya.
Okay, that's interesting. Are you trying to tell us something important?
私たちに重要なことを伝えようとしてますか？
So no. Okay.
At maya-maya lang, bigla naman tumunog yung REM pod.
Someone's in there. 100%.
Creepy, tumunog ng ganun bigla, ano? Kung ako dyan, tatakbo ako. Katulad ng ginawa ni Third Eye.
Okay, are you the one in my REM pod?
そこに一人いますか？
Are you the one touching my REM pod?
その機械に触ってますか？
Ayaw niya tumigil. At maya-maya pa, tumunog naman yung bell.
It's a yes. 1 ring for yes. And it confirms here. It said yes.
Halos lahat na equipment ay sabay-sabay na nagtutunugan.
Can you stop?
Kumita ka tayo.
Medyo natakot na ako ng mga oras na to, kaya wala akong choice kundi i-reset muna ang REM pod. Napatingin ako sa hallway kasi para bang may nakatitig sa amin.
Can you see us right now?
私たちが見えますか？
Can you see us right now? If you can see us, please ring the bell.
もし私たちが見えない。
Tibay nito, ano? Ang tapang.
ベルを鳴らしてください。
Kid, are you upset that we're here?
ここにいますか？出席しますか？
Yes.
Yes。
Did you die in this hospital?
この病院で知りましたか？ Yes。
Yes.
Yes。
Are you trapped in here? Wait. Are you a good spirit?
あなたは良い幽霊ですか？
Can you use a good
Akala
spirit?
ko good spirit nang biglang...
Just to confirm. Just to confirm. Wait, no way. It said no. Okay, to confirm, are you a bad spirit?
悪い霊ですか？
Holy shit. Is it okay that we're here?
私たちがここにいても大丈夫ですか？
It said yes. Do you want us to go to the 3rd floor? He said yes. I think gusto ng spirit na sa 3rd floor tayo. Okay. So we're going to the 3rd floor now. Are there a lot of spirit in the 3rd floor?
3階にはいっぱい幽霊いますか？
He said yes. Grabe, sobrang active dito sa hospital na to. Sobrang active.
Lagi ganun talaga.
At maya-maya pa ay biglang tumunog na naman yung REM pod.
Yep. So all of the device are going off right now. Okay.
Creepy naman, tumunog lahat ng device niya.
So let's go to the 3rd floor again.
Dahan-dahan na kaming umakyat. Medyo nakakatakot pero nakaka-curious. Ano ba talaga ang meron dito?
This is the Ovilus. This is the Holy Grail. And we're gonna communicate using this device. So all of the spirit here,
ここに幽霊はいらっしゃいますか？
it's us again. Watashi wa desu.
私は岩です。
You can use this device to communicate.
このデバイスを使ってコミュニケーション取ることができますよ。
So, yeah, let's ask.
At pagbukas ko pa lang,
Wait, it makes sense.
Shadows.
We're in the 3rd floor. Dito nakikita yung shadow nung... Yep,
Begin. Creepy.
we will begin. Dito nakikita yung shadow nung... Wait, ito yun, di ba?
at kung maaalala nyo, base sa history na to, dito sa palapag na to, sa bintanang to, nagpapakita ang anino.
Shit. Ito yung window na nakikita yung shadow? Do you want to tell something about this place?
これ何か伝えたいことはありますか？
Can you tell something about this place?
これ何か伝えたいことはありますか？
To the shadow, did you die here?
この影は、ここで死にましたか？
Mirror front. Beware. Wait, beware of the mirror in front. And one thing, basag yung mga mirror sa CR sa baba. Oh, tapos basag lahat.
Nasaan
And
yun?
he's telling CR sa baba.
Wala naman ako nakikita figure. Wala. Oo, wala naman. Dilim lang.
Oh, tapos basag lahat. And he's telling us to beware of the mirror in front. Yes, thank you. Thank you for your warning us. Can you tell us what's in the mirror?
どのミラーか教えてもらえますか？
Report. It says report. What do you mean by report?
Gusto ko sana i-confirm kung ano ibig sabihin niya sa report. Pero sa palagay ko, ito ay dahil sa mga paranormal activity na na-report sa lugar na to.
Ano mga nangyayari?
At maya-maya lang matapos kong magtanong sa hindi malamang dahilan,
Wait, what's happening to my night vision?
inagloko yung infrared na night vision ko.
Bakit naglako?
Tingin ito.
Creepy gun.
So yung night vision ko is nag-flicker. You see that?
Maya-maya biglang bumalik na siya sa ayos.
It's back na. Namamatay. So, it's okay.
At nang mag-switch ako sa kabilang angle,
It's back na. Namamatay.
kita niyo yun?
Namamatay.
Ang orb na dumaan at hagip
It's
ito
okay.
ng camera.
Nasaan?
Namamatay.
Ang orb na dumaan at hagip
It's
ito
okay.
ng camera. Kita niyo yun?
Asan?
Namamatay.
Ang orb na dumaan at hagip
It's
ito
okay.
ng camera. Hindi namin napansin na may nakuha na pala kami kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami sa
Are you the
pagtatanong.
one that is draining my batteries? Wait, but first thing, what do you mean by report?
Pero yung sagot niya ay hindi na connected sa mga tanong namin.
It doesn't make sense. Do you miss this place? What does this place look like for you now? Murder?
At may mga sumunod pa siyang sinabi na kinatakot talaga namin.
Cycle, metaphysics, 24
君
What do you mean by surprise?
どういう意味ですかサプライズ
At bigla akong naalala yung tanong ko kanina sa baba.
Okay, to confirm, are you a bad spirit?
悪い例ですか
Holy shit.
Tapos yung
Yes daw.
drawing na nakita namin dito sa taas.
Oh, there's a face. There's a face. It's fucking creepy. Since you mentioned about Satan, I think it's not good to be here. To all of the spirits here, thank you for communicating with us.
私たちと会話してくれてありがとうございました
I pray for your soul to rest in peace. Ken, ready?
Grabe naman yung ginawa. Hello. Grabe naman yung ginawa nila, guys. Sa Japan, ang creepy. Nakakatakot. Seryoso. Yun, guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Kung magising tayo mamaya, tatry natin magmukbang. Bye-bye and bukas ulit.
I came from the mud. There's